So I had guessed in that one video that not everybody can play because it was done on a app that didn't work so well, that we would have 11 baby goats. And I was wrong about who would have how many, but the total number did turn out to be 11 baby goats.
So you were wrong correct.
So I was wrong correct. And hopefully, by the time we sell some and stuff at the end of the year, we sell 12 goats, maybe 13. Get the numbers back down to just our breeding ones. I don't have any grain for you guys. Well, I do. I just have to go get it. This mama had triplets, and those babies are nursing off of her so rapidly that, or so much that she's starting to get upset with them all. But they're also the ones that are starting to eat a lot more regular food. I don't know if she's producing enough milk, so I keep trying to give her grain. But this Carl that's ready to go to the butcher shop, he keeps pushing everybody off the grain.
Wow, ravioli's bleeding.
Oh, yep. No, it's after they have their babies, it's not uncommon for them to bleed a little bit. It's been long enough that she probably shouldn't be still bleeding, so we need to get her checked for any problems, unless she's gone into heat.
There's the newest mama. She's still got some
Yep.
stuff on her.
Yep. Yeah, that's not uncommon just a few days later, but a week later, that's a little more concerning.
A couple of the goats are out, babies.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Yeah. Yep, they can slide right through.
All right, I'm gonna go over and start feeding this house.
Well, we didn't finish fixing up the shelter, and she had a baby. So we saw the little bit of a bag hanging out. Had to run back into town really quick and take care of someone else's dog that needed let out to potty. I was hoping we had enough time to do that and run back out and catch the birth, but we didn't. We'll see if she has another or if she's done. So we're a little over 2 hours And then she still hasn't finished the bag, the placenta. Cha-cha.
Missing the wrong place for nurse.
4:30 a.m. check. She's lost her placenta, the rest of it, and we don't see it anywhere in the pen, so she may have eaten it. Cha-cha. Cha got to lick the baby. Licked it all over. Thought that was great. Baby didn't mind one bit. Thought he was pretty cool too. So now we'll check the rest of the sheep and make sure none of them look like they're about to lamb. She had all the classic lambing signs. She went off away from the others, was getting up and down kind of restlessly for a couple of hours. Didn't want to eat much. She would eat grain, but she wasn't overeating hay with the others. Got the pens each fixed up. I had another board there for shade, but they knocked it down. So each mom has hay, a bucket of water, and a little pail that has baking powder and diatomaceous earth, which helps add selenium. Was going to build one more pen for one of these two to separate them, but didn't get to it. So hopefully we will before they lamb. It's been a couple days since this baby was born. No problems. He's feeding and sweet and happy. Doesn't seem to have any problems getting along with the other lambs ewes that are nearby. So it's possible we didn't have to separate any of them, but it was just a precaution for the first year girls.